Hey guys, how's it going? We are about to go up to my friend Amy's house. We were up there at least a year ago, over a year ago, and I had helped her make over her backyard. I don't think I took you guys along for that project, but I was over at her place. We renovated her back property by her back porch. They have this little ranch house out in the middle of nowhere on like 30 something acres. It's so magical out there. And they also deal with a lot of deer out there and a lot of, last year they had grasshoppers. It was all so bad. And I think most everything that I planted got destroyed. And it was mostly by the grasshoppers, not so much the deer. But anyways, I'm gonna go up there. I've got some metal planters that I want to take up to her house, and I've got a ton of plants that I want to take up to her house. So let me turn the camera around, show you guys really quickly what we're gonna get up there. There's a storm about to come, so we'll see how this video goes. And then I'll show you guys when we get up there planting everything. So up front, I have 3 flats of plants. I've got 3 planters I'm doing, 3 flats. I don't know if I will actually use all of these. I have this stunning salvia in full bloom right now. So beautiful. Once it's done blooming, they could come in, cut it back, and it'll bloom again. I'm bringing some mondo grass, some Dichondra Silver Falls. I got a carex. I have this African daisy right here. This one's called Blue Ice. It's really pretty. Heliotrope. I have Creeping Jenny, more salvia. I have petunias. This is the blue tiara. I have, I think, a Vitex and a hydrangea, a bacopa, and then I have some more petunias. I have the SuperTunia Mini Vista Yellow, and then I also have a Nemesia back there. So I've got a huge selection of plants. I don't know if I'll actually be able to use all of these, but I wanted thrillers, fillers, spillers, smells, size, color. I wanted all of it. And then these are the EdgeRight metal planters. I've got 3 of them. I was going to take these 2 down to the local school, this one down to the business, but I think that they thought maybe I was trying to like scam them or something. So my friend gets all of them, which is really exciting. So I think I want to do these 2 as a pair and then this one as kind of like a standalone, just because I like the color of those together. And then we're going to go in with super crummy soil. This is the worst soil. This is the one that I would say makes fabulous mulch. Not to fill your entire bed with. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to fill the bottom halves of these because the roots aren't ever going to reach the very bottom of these planters. So it doesn't make sense to fill it all the way up with really good soil. And then I will be topping off with some of the really good soil. That is the peat-free soil that I'm absolutely loving so far. It's a little clumpy, but for peat-free, I'm very, very happy with it. So all 3 of these planters are going to go up to her house. Let's load everything into the car. Okay, we're at my friend Amy's house.
Hi.
We were here a year ago.
Yes.
Was it a year ago? Or was it 2 years ago?
I think it was 2 years ago.
We were here a while ago, and we had redone her beds, and then you guys had an infestation of grasshoppers here. Yes. And they ate everything that we planted. Literally, there are 4 things that survived. It was really, really bad. We actually just missed the grasshoppers. I was really afraid they were going to come to our property. It's raining also, so we look fabulous right now. And then they had a bunch of deer that came, and they finished off anything that the grasshoppers didn't eat. So it was a really rough year last year.
Yes, it was.
We're hoping... You sounded like a news person. Yes, it was, Robbie. Back to you with the weather.
I'm too focused on that.
Okay, I'm sorry. Amy and I, when we get together, we just laugh the entire time. Anyways, deer came. They destroyed the rest of the plants. We're going to pot up these plants, and then they're going to order Repels-All. That's what I'm going to make them order to deal with the deer. And if they get grasshoppers again, they're out of luck. But anyways, let me show you guys where the planters are. So last time I was here, we had done this side and we put some trees in and we put all kinds of things. This evergreen survived, the salvia survived, and everything else was gone. And then I've got 2 planters right here that we're gonna plant up. And then over on this side, we're gonna put the red one. The cordyline made it last time, or made it, you can see the deer definitely nibbled on it. And then the lavender that are here, those made it also. And the salvia made it. Right? And not evergreen. So actually kind of a lot of stuff made it.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go ahead and get those planted up, and we're going to do it quick because it is pouring down rain and the 2 kids are inside with your husband, and then we're going to make tacos. So I want this done quick. And then we're going to play Nerf guns.
So first of all, we're going to be using...
That's way too close. All right, I've got them all hooked up to irrigation, and I've got the plants laid out. They're not actually planted yet. So this one here, I'm gonna go in with the Carex, the Heliotrope for smell, 2 of the SuperTunia, I think these are the Tiara. Yeah, SuperTunia Tiara Blue. And then I'm gonna go in with a Dichondra Silver Falls. That will trail all the way down to the bottom. I've got Bacopa, and then I have SuperTunia Bordeaux. I love Bordeaux. And then I have that Daisy in here. And then over on this side, I have the Salvia, so pretty. This is called Skyscraper Orange, and it is definitely Skyscraper Orange. I've got Nemesia in here. This is Sensation Lemon. The Creeping Jenny, that will trail all the way down. I have another Salvia in here. We're just going full Salvia. This is the Proven Accent Golden Delicious, and I thought it would play off really nicely with that one. And then I have one of the SuperTunia Mini Vista Yellow, so that'll spill down really nicely. I'm gonna get it planted, look at the view here, and then we're gonna have tacos, and I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day. So let me get it planted, and then I'll show you guys all planted. They'll look basically the same. All right, you guys, we got the planters all done. We just finished dinner, and I finished playing fake fight with the kids, and there are already deer here. They're already, I'm sure, trying to eye this. So we will see what happens with that. If you guys have tips and tricks for deers, please put them in the comments down below, because this is the middle of nowhere out here. I think they've got like 30 acres out here. It's so quiet. It's so nice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. The planters look so great out here. It'll be so nice to have a pop of color. Thank you guys for visiting my garden and my friend's garden, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.